We're back in Santa Clarita. This is the entire Nike clearance store. They got so much stuff. They even have carts back here, including these Nike Cortez. Got the Forrest Gump colorway here, 50 bucks. 50 bucks. I think I got mine for like 40, 45 or something, but that's one of the cheapest prices we've seen them for. Got Zions right here going for 70. Zion 4s. Gonna check out the size 9 first. And they got some Gore-Tex Vomeros right here. Gore-Tex stuff always a little bit more. Vomero 18 Gore-Tex. Pretty freaking comfy, and these are apparently water resistant, 100 bucks. Got Vomero Plus right here, super freaking comfortable. Holy crap, 100 bucks. I was gonna try them on, I was like, wait, this ain't my size, dang it. Air Max DN Roams, I've never even seen those before, 100 bucks. SB Dunks, right here, multiple laces, looking like a football. Go for 90. Jordan Trunners 50, that's a dope colorway. GT Hustle 3, one of the premium basketball shoes, 100 bucks. Stadium 90 cleats, I've never seen these, $90. Oh, I'm curious to see how much these are. Foam posits right here, 90, $9.90. No. Not bad. These are size 8.5 in the wrong section. More Vomero 5s right here. Not a bad color. Lemon Venom, black and white. $80, not bad. There's a friendly reminder right here. All sales are final. You can't really return stuff. They do size swaps though. They do size swaps as long as it's the same item. Holy crap, this is, look at this, 10.5, $35. $35 they are getting rid of these because ain't nobody want a KD 18s for 35 bucks. 30. That is just freaking crazy. And one thing I do love about this spot, you can see when they drop the price. That's today, guys. That's today. That's Sunday. I'm gonna try to throw out a short for you guys so you guys can get that info ASAP. My bad, I didn't have videos this weekend. I was at the Grand Prix all freaking weekend and I was tired when I got home. Yeah, they marked a bunch of stuff down. $40 for LeBron Next Gens. This matches what I'm wearing, dude. But yeah, no, I'm good. 40 bucks. I don't need another pair of basketball sneakers. All kinds of LeBrons being given away for $40. These were all marked down today. Next Gens for 35, or Next Genesis, yeah, 35. I'm looking for just green tags. Those green tags are the ones with the extra discounts. Oh, they got these right here. $35 for the KD 16 Pure Monies. 17, all right, KD 17. Like I said, easy money. The easy money colorway, so cheap. In the 10.5 section, they got different color Zoom Flies going for $80. This color's pretty freaking dope. They got Pegasus Premiums right here. 100 bucks for these bad boys. Color, I don't know, it's gonna work for some of you guys. That doesn't really work for me, but $100. This is $120 off retail. Vomero Plus right here, 10.5. Vomero Plus versus Infinity Run Flyknit 3s. The Vomero Plus, definitely a lot more stack height. Cushioning is a little more even throughout the forefoot and the heel. This one, there's a lot less cushioning on the forefront and a lot more in the heel. This one, there's a little more throughout the entire shoe, but not a crazy difference. But the Vomero Plus, there's a lot more cushioning on these, man. These feel good. I am a fan of these. I might like the Fresh Foam Moors a little bit more. I might like them a little more. I'm gonna wear my Fresh Foam Moors next time when I come here. Try to compare them to. Try to give you guys some budget comparisons and stuff. Got Shox R4s, 70, DN8s right here. These have been 100, right? Yeah, 100 bucks. Shox R4s and other colorways, 70. Max 2017's 100. Dunks, University Red Dunk Highs, 100 bucks. Quick Strike Blazer Lows right here. Got some chrome looking Nike swoosh collab or something with somebody. I don't know, but 50 bucks. And these have been here for that long? Holy crap, they've been here for freaking over 3 months. Got a ton of interesting finds already. They got some Jordan 1 mid cleats right here. $70 for those. More of these crazy clearance out price. $35 for the KD 18s right here. Another one. We're gonna go check out Apparel, but yeah, we are seeing them in different sizes. Size 11 right here. And then we got this one that has a gray sign right here, which shows extended size price. Yeah, we're seeing a bunch of these on sale in different sizes. Seeing the same love in the size 12s as well. So it looks like 10 and above, or is it 10 and a half and above? Oh, okay, so 10 and above, getting some crazy discounts. Those of you guys that have been here, clearance apparel is where you're gonna save the most though, especially if you're okay shopping off season. 20% off a lot of their winter stuff right here. These jackets, kind of like Leatherman jackets, but it's not really leather, so kind of not really, I guess. 100 for these bad boys right here. We saw these for way more at the retail shops, and you get another 20% off. Puffy jackets right here, $80. Normally 2 bills, so $80 you get another $16 off. So what is that? $54, 50 or $64, $64. Trying to do math real time, and yeah, I'm a little slow. My bad, you guys. A little slow sometimes. $25 for this super lightweight hoodie. Sizing definitely going to be an issue. Not going to have every size, but it's definitely worth a look. $25 for this hoodie. This is a large. Now this one right here, also 20% off. This bad boy right here, you do get some vests, lightweight vests though. Lightweight thermo vest, or thermofit vest. 110 down to 40, another 20% off. Rams hoodies right here, $40. $40, normally $105. Holy cow, I think it was a Niner version of this one because it has like separate pockets and stuff. Is this Chelsea? Chelsea Football Club. I see small, I see medium, I see extra large. I see quite a few sizes. $40, normally $90, remember 20 off. Remastered? What is this? Is this a golf? Nike Golf? $210 down to $80. I see a couple of larges. I found Dornbecker jackets here. I found all kinds of random stuff. We've seen these at a lot of the regular outlets. And what are these going for? These are going for $30, cheaper than most regular outlets. All right, let's knock out the bigger sizes. Size 11, they got you with these Monarchs right here, $40. LeBron Trainer 60, that is a crazy color. This one's a little more muted or a little more mundane at $60 for those. All of a sudden, my vocabulary has gotten all good. What the hell? Gotten all esoteric and stuff. I don't know, whatever. But $60 for Metcon 6s. These are $50 right here. More of these Monarch things, $40. Giannis 6s, $60. Yeah, they got a bunch of the LeBrons just being given away, $40, $35. These are all $40. Bizike lows. Who knows? Oh, this in the size 10. I forgot to show you guys. Lakers Air Max of Tempos, $80. Mids going for $80. Jordan mids going for $80. Said this last week. This whole wall used to be size 13s. Most of it size 12, and then 13s just this tiny little sliver. I don't know what happened to the size 13 section, but 12s right here, $70 for the Zion 4s. Max DN 8s right here. This is the extended size price, you guys. Extended size meaning like bigger and smaller sizes. Sometimes the really big sizes, sometimes the really small size. They call it extreme sizes. They will discount them even further to get rid of them. And see a lot of size 12s that are extended size price. $50 for DN. $25 for these total 9s. This red color here as well for $25. Extended size pricing usually takes place with stuff that's been sitting here for a while, like these, like the color. Look at the color. Yeah, they've been here for minutes. $40. The Airships $70. All those LeBron Next Gens, and even LeBron 22s right here. $30 for these. $30. They've been here for 11 months. They've been here for 11 freaking months. That is hilarious. What's this? What's this? Ooh, got Zion 4s right here in a canvas. Kind of looks like a burlap sack material. Burlap sack. Did I even say that right? Burlap sack material, and these are hella interesting. Got some stitching on the side, or faux stitching on the side. $70. Dunks is there. Burrows? What the hell is this? Yeah, Burrows. Grade school in the wrong section. Air Max 270. Ooh, size 15. $80. One of the few size 15 here. 13's not getting any discounts or crazy discounts with these. 70. Vomero Plus size 13's 110. Jordan 4 RM 70. Docs $70. What are they doing with all the 13 plus? Like, they used to have them here for so cheap. Where are they all going now? $50. Those Pegasus Plus right there. 100 for the Air Max 95s. Got the Spizak Lows. Kind of like a lightning colorway. $80. I did think this was interesting. Got a bunch of backpacks for $20. A lot of them are budgety, but for $20, not bad. Like, the straps are, they're like wide, but they're super thin. Like, there's not that much foam in it and stuff. But oh, it's down to 15. It even says 15 now on this one. Normally 65 down to 15. So, you know, not the most like durable and high quality backpacks, but they're freaking $15, dude. Got all kinds of poofy jackets right here. $80. By all kinds, I mean 2 different colorways, one for 80. You do get 20 off though. On them more of these, I don't know what to call them. Are they Leatherman jackets? I don't know. But I don't really need cartoon characters on my jackets. Is this a jersey right here? Do you see a LeBron jersey? $50 for these. This is like the city jersey, city, what do they call it? City edition swingman jersey right here. $50, hell of a price. They're gonna win the first round. Is Durant gonna play later? I don't know. But yeah, $50 for Harden jerseys. I see a few XLs. Johnson, who the hell is Johnson? I don't know. But yeah, $60 normally. $175. I see a few mediums. Got Mamba shirts right here. Small and a small, but I don't see a price tag. Oh, okay, here's the price tag. Loose fits shirt right here for $20. Got UCLA jerseys right here. I just saw someone talking to one of their peeps, and they're like, "Oh, it feels cheap. It looks cheap." He's kind of right. They kind of do, but they're trying to make them so light. Like, that's what they want. So freaking light. The print looks cheap. The material actually doesn't look bad. It doesn't feel bad. Like, it's just that print just looks hella cheap. Got medium, large, extra large. See a two-tone tech fleece jacket right here, and I don't see a price tag. Do not see a price tag. I was curious to see how much tech fleece is going for here. Zipper doesn't even go up because the tag that the plastic thing is stuck in there. Their tag thingy, but yeah, the tag's also gone. So I don't know. This is last year's tech fleece. I haven't looked at the new ones. I have had people ask me. I had one dude ask me, what I think. I need to look into it. I need to look at next time I go to the mall. I'm gonna have to look at the tech fleece. 20% off, and look at this, $80. This is not the newest one, which I'm good with. I don't like that line anyways, but they got sizes. They got blue. They got red. Wow, $80. You get an extra 20 off, so $64. Yeah, $64. Holy crap. Obviously, it's getting too warm for tech fleece now, but yeah, you can save it for next year, man. Save it for next year. Speaking of on feet, I don't know. That's not really a transition, but I didn't really have nothing, so it is what it is. Dude got Infinity Run, flying at 3s. I've been walking around like crazy. I was at the Long Beach Grand Prix today, so did quite a few steps. Didn't go crazy like yesterday or the day before, but did walk around a decent amount. Pretty freaking comfortable. I talked about these earlier, and I did get sunburnt like crazy yesterday, so I did wear sunblock. Is that what it's called? But yeah, I did wear some of that. But yeah, man, it was warm. It was like in the 70s, but we're We're in direct sunlight, or direct, whatever. We're in direct sun for a minute. I usually don't check women's clothing because I don't want to be all creepy looking around the women's clothing section. But look at this jacket right here. It is a super thick Jordan jacket. Normally $300 down to $100. You get an extra $20 off. So $80, normally $300. And it is pretty freaking thick. I see medium, I see large. I see a couple different sizes. What size is this one? Small? Yeah, medium and large. Super bright vest right here. They got small, medium, XL right here. Look at this, $20 freaking dollars. Well, this says 20, this one says 40. So if I were you guys, I would take this one. And if you buy one of the other size, I would take it up there. Be like, hey man, give it to me for 20, dog. Give it to me for 20, doggies. U.S. Olympic Team ACG dry fit shirts. This is in the women's section, $30. I know damn well. Oh yeah, 70 down to 30. I'll say I know damn well it costs more because ACG is never cheap. ACG is like one of their more expensive stuff. 180 down to 60 for these windbreaker jackets, and it has all kinds of tech inside. That's why I was like, why? It's just a windbreaker. But nah, it got stuff. They got small mediums, ACG hoodies, 135 down to 50. A lot of you women are gonna be looking for shorts and stuff like that. They got plenty of shorts and stuff too, though. They got shorts. They got the yoga pants that y'all women love to wear, and us guys love to appreciate y'all wearing. Is that how you say that politically correct? I don't know. $20 for these bad boys. Yeah, keep wearing them. They got sports bras and stuff like that on sale, but like I said, I don't want to be too creepy walking around looking at those. This is the women's section, and the reason I wanted to come here, they had a Nike by You section here last week, but it's no longer here. Apparently they got a ton of Nike by You shipments. They have a few left over on the lower right, but I guess they do that periodically when they get special shipments of certain things. Bigger women's sizes right here. I'm not gonna spend too much time in the women's section because I gotta go, but they did. Look at this. Yeah, they're getting rid of all their Nike by You. I guess it's like the huge sizes. Look at this size 16, $30. Got some Janowskis. I bet you they priced these down and everybody bought them all. I don't even blame y'all, dude. Holy crap. Janowskis 30. That's just another pair of Janowskis right here, 30 for these. See size 16, size 15 men's, $25, extended size price obviously. I don't know why, but all this stuff here is priced to go. Not the craziest selection, but prices are crazy. Like look at these right here, $40. $40 for these. Are these all samples? These might be samples because I think that's a sample tag. All right, I'm gonna make a short. I'm gonna throw that out to you guys so you guys can get info on almost on a live basis. But stay tuned and we out, man. We out. Sunday, the actual Long Beach Grand Prix taking place.
I think it's a minor. I don't think it's gonna. If it's
Decent seats. Love the seats. We'll get a couple of turns. That's turn 1, and then turn 5. I think that's turn 5 or something. I don't know. Pretty dope seats though. Alex Palou dominated again. Dominated. Dang, dude, this fool keeps winning. Damn. We're at the Nike clearance store out in Santa Clarita, where they got some steals on backpacks. These Jordan backpacks, they're down to $15 freaking dollars. Normally 65. Seems like it's the end of season. We need to get rid of our crap sale. They got poofy jackets here for $80. You get 20% off. Of course, we come here for the sneaker deals. Look at this. Look at this. KD 18s, $35 freaking dollars. Seems like they're clearancing out a bunch of stuff. KD Easy Money's right here, $35. We got LeBron 22s marked down to 40 freaking bucks. Next gen LeBron's 40. And they got these clearance items in size 11s, size 12s, as well as my size 10, 10 and a half. Definitely worth checking out, guys. Full video coming out on the Cool Cooks YouTube channel. Stay tuned.